What's good? It's your boy Coach T, and welcome back to the Mud Talk Radio channel. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, because if you're into fashion, sports, life, and culture, then you're into this channel. Let's go. All right, man, so listen, man, before we get into the video, man, shout out to the new subs, man. Thank you to everyone that's been hitting that like button, hitting that subscribe button. But I'm gonna ask you guys a favor. If you're enjoying content like this, make sure you drop a comment in the comment box below. Let me know what you think about the video. Do you enjoy them? Do you want to see more of this type of content? Do you want to see like some vlog content? Let me know in the comment section below. But as always, we walking down 1,000 right now, man, and I really, really appreciate y'all for joining me on this journey. Let's go. So I'm back with another sneaker review today, man, and you can see the box, man. You already know what time it is, man. This one been talked about a lot on the internet, man, even prior to the release, and we had to bring this one to the channel, man. Let's get into it. So the box reads Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. The colors are black, royal, blue, and white. All right, so we got the Nike Air Jordan 1 OG High, man, the Reimagined Royals, man. That's what a lot of people are calling these. Tell me, what is your initial reaction? I'm about to give you mine real quick because I was debating whether I should even bring this shoe to the channel. It was one of those shoes where people talked about it so much before it released that when it actually released, or when people start getting the early pairs. And before I get into what I'm about to talk about, tell me what y'all think about early pairs. Drop it in the comment section below. I really think I need to do an episode on that because I don't know how I feel about early pairs. I don't even know if I feel like they're legit. I just don't trust overpaying for a shoe that you can't confirm that it's real or not. And so it is what it is, but let me know what y'all know. Maybe it'll help me know something or help me learn something, because right now, I really, as of right now today, I probably would never purchase an early pair. But we got the Nike Air Jordan 1 Royal Toe right here, man. And my initial reaction is that it's not as bad as what a lot of people have been saying. And this is why I say, man, you can't listen to the internet. You cannot just like go based on other people's opinion of a sneaker, especially if it's a shoe that you've been doing your research on. Maybe you have the original Jordan 1 Royals and you actually wanted to get this shoe to kind of like add it to your collection. But you know, for me, I don't own a pair of the original Royals. And so to grab these, I wanted to actually see what the hype was about. Now, I will admit that the materials on this shoe look pretty good. You know, the suede looks really smooth, and you know, it is a unique shoe. And let's see if it had a alternate pair of laces. I'm not sure. It might be in the second shoe when we do our side-by-side comparison. But my initial reaction is that this shoe isn't that bad. Like, it isn't that bad. It isn't as trash as a lot of people are saying. All right, so we got the second shoe in hand, and let's do a side-by-side comparison. We're gonna look, as always, for any type of quality control issues, anything like that. Because, you know, Nike has been pretty up and down this year with the sneakers we've been bringing to this channel. And as you can see, man, I'm looking at this shoe and I don't really see anything. You know, a lot of pairs were produced on this sneaker. I think somewhere upwards of 600,000 pairs were produced or at least released. And for a sneaker that wasn't that popular, a lot of people didn't grab it. It's just interesting how Nike can release 600,000 pairs of a sneaker that, you know, let's just be honest, nobody wants this shoe, versus a shoe that a lot of people want and Nike won't produce a lot of them. So it's like Nike really be playing with us for real, you know, and I don't understand it. But I did not have to get this shoe off of the sneakers app. You notice at the beginning of the video, I did not do, you know, my unboxing like I normally do, because I actually walked in, hit my local Hibbett Sports, and was able to pick these up off the shelf. I mean, after Saturday, I realized nobody was grabbing these. And so I was like, you know what? I'll walk in the store Sunday or Monday and grab them. And that's what I did. And so I'm bringing the video a little bit late, but either way, it's my opinion, man. It's the Mud Talk family, man. This is where we're talking about this sneaker. I don't care who got them already, but if you're watching them with me, I appreciate you, and I really, really want y'all feedback, because I'm gonna be honest, in hand, they're not that bad. They are not that bad. Now, is suede on a Jordan 1 ideal? I would say no. But I used to think that patent leather on a Jordan 1 wasn't ideal until I went and got my patent, what was it? The patent breads that I got a few years ago, I think, for Christmas. And so, you know, until you get a sneaker in hand, it's hard to really form an opinion, a true opinion on it. So I would say if you're on the fence about grabbing this shoe, grab it off the secondary market below retail. Of course, the retail price is $180. But if you get on GOAT, I've seen them for like $154. So you should be able to grab them. But I can't guarantee you the type of quality you're gonna receive from there, but if you walk in your local Hibbett Sports, or if you buy them off of Nike, you'll be able to return them if you don't like them. I'm telling you right now that the shoe isn't that bad. All right, so let's get into styling this shoe. You know, I recently went with my wife on a hunt for my first suit. Yes, you heard that, my first suit. I'm known, you know, for being, a lot of y'all know I'm 38 years old. All I know is streetwear, you know what I'm saying? I dress casually sometimes, and mainly in part because my wife has put together those casual items in my closet where I'm able to, you know, dress nice and look nice when it's time, you know. But as far as going to get that suit, you know, and really putting it on, I haven't done that yet in my adult life. Because, you know, as a kid, my grandma used to buy me suits for like Easter and things like that, but that's probably the last time I wore a suit. Now, I do have some blazers. Again, I do have some nice pants and things of that nature, but I got my first suit, and now after getting that suit, I'm looking at this shoe like, I should be able to wear this shoe. Oh, almost dropped it. I should be able to wear this shoe with a suit, right? You know what I mean? All black, especially the suit that I just got. I think you can do that. You know, to really make this shoe pop, I could throw on an all black suit, or I would throw on an all black suit with this shoe. You know, maybe a black, we do a white shirt maybe with a blue bow tie and really do it like that and really make it pop, man. But outside of that, the streetwear approach, I'm not really sure on this shoe because I'm not really feeling the royal blue and black, like to be really going hard with the streetwear approach. And I don't really want to be matchy-matchy. That's not really my vibe. But if I'm gonna go matchy-matchy, I'd rather do it in a formal way. So I would throw on a suit with these joints. That's how I would get down with it. All right, so I'm gonna give you my rating for this shoe, man. And I really been thinking on this one because everybody's opinion of this shoe is not my opinion of this shoe. And so I've watched a bunch of reviews, and shout out to all the people that's in the community that have been putting out great content. You know, I was able to really get some in-depth looks at this shoe before I actually got it in hand. But I will say this, my rating on the Jordan 1 Reimagined Royal Toe, or whatever you want to call it, I'm gonna go 5.5 out of 10. 5.5 out of 10 for the Jordan 1. Let me know if you think 5.5 out of 10 is too low. Is it too high? Do you consider this shoe to be trash? Do you think this shoe should go in the trash bucket? I'm gonna make a decision on that probably shortly after this video. But like I say always, man, love is free, hate costs. You've been watching Mud Talk with your boy Coach T. I'm out.
Subscribe, like, comment, hit that post notification.
Oh yeah, you heard it first and foremost.
Go hit the like, go subscribe, go all that.
All that, man.
Like that.